guys? Welcome to my YouTube channel, Livin. I'm Jared. And today I just got this new drone. I just did a video on it. If you want to watch that video on kind of my review of it, I'll put in a link above and in the description down below. But one thing that I didn't tell you guys in that review, and one thing that's very hard to figure out about this drone, is if you don't put the propellers on right, it won't fly. You'll get kind of like a warning light saying your drone won't fly. And so I'm going to show you how to do that. This is going to be a short video, 2 minutes. If you're not already a subscriber, go and subscribe down below. Give us a thumbs up. We'd appreciate it. And let's show you how to do this.
So some of these propellers have gray circles, and some of these do not have gray circles. They have black. The gray circle has to go with the 2 gray lines over here. So you put these in like this, and then you turn them and twist them. And then this one has no gray circle, so it would go in right over here, and you put it in and you twist it. Gray circle, gray lines over here, put it in and twist it. And then no gray circle, oh, gray circle actually. No gray circle goes in over here where there's no gray lines on this propeller. And then boom, you are good to go, and it'll be ready to fly again.
Well, I hope that video was helpful for you, and I hope you're enjoying your drone. And again, if you wouldn't mind subscribing to the channel, we'd appreciate it. And stay tuned for more content. See you later.